In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against real players in Multiversus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the online modes in Multiversus that allows you to play against real opponents. So instead of playing with AI on custom matches, you will be able to play against real opponents. You will be able to invite someone else if you want to do 2v2, or you can queue up alone to do 1v1s, or have some random people or a random person on your team for 2v2s. So once you open Multiverses on any platform, the process is going to be the same. If this is your first time opening Multiverses, you will have to go through the initial tutorial against AI, and only afterwards will you be able to invite your friends and play together. Keep in mind as well that if you are low level, you might be matched up against bots randomly. So you just have to keep playing, and until you get to a high level, you might see bots here and there, but you will still be matched up against real people. So once you are in the main menu, just choose the game mode. As you can see, you have 3 main game modes if you want to play against real people. You have 2v2, 1v1, and free-for-all, and they can be accessed under the normal category. Other is going to be related to training or custom local games, where you will be able to play with other people who are on the same location as you, or play against bots. Ranked is coming soon, but this is also going to be an option if you want to play against real players and of course climb up on the ranks. But for this video, we're just going to focus on 2v2, 1v1, and free-for-all. Once you choose any of these, you will be able to click play and matchmaking will start. As you can see, a match was found and we are now ready to go. So just choose ready and you will be able to play with whoever you were matched up with and against. It is super simple, and like I said, you can invite a friend if you want to do 2v2 online against real players. And you will load in, choose your perks, choose your character, and get into the action. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against real players in Multiversus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.